If your team voice chat isn't working or your microphone isn't picking up in the finals, resolving the issue takes just a couple of quick checks. First, configure your Windows audio permissions before touching in-game menus. Press the Windows key and I to open settings. Navigate to Privacy and Security, select Microphone, and verify that Allow Desktop Apps to Access Your Microphone is toggled on. Next, right-click the speaker icon on your Windows taskbar, choose Sound Settings, and confirm your active microphone and headphones are set as default devices. Now, launch the game and open Settings by pressing Escape on PC keyboard, Options on PlayStation, or Menu on Xbox. Navigate to the Audio tab, scroll down to the Voice Chat section, and toggle Voice Chat to Enabled. Manually select your primary microphone under Output and Input device instead of leaving it on default, as multi-device setups often default to the wrong hardware. Finally, set your mode to Push to Talk. The default key to activate your mic during matches is Z on keyboard, or you can press K mid-match to toggle voice channels. Consider subscribing if this quick fix solved your audio, and see you in the arena.